Our story begins with a turtle egg, barely larger than a golf ball, buried under layers of warm sand. This is where the magic of life begins. The female turtle, after a hearty meal of aquatic plants, insects, and even small fish, finds a suitable spot on the shore to lay her eggs. She digs a hole with her back flippers, lays her eggs, and then covers them up to protect them from predators. After a period of incubation that can last up to 3 months, the baby turtles, or hatchlings as they're called, make their first appearance. They dig their way out of the sand and, guided by the light of the moon, make a mad dash towards the water. This journey is fraught with danger, but it's a necessary rite of passage for every turtle. Once they reach the water, they begin to grow. They feast on a diet of small fish, insects, and aquatic vegetation. A turtle's growth is slow but steady, allowing them to live for several decades, and in some cases, even centuries. But what makes a turtle's life truly remarkable is its ability to reproduce. Once the turtles reach maturity, which can take anywhere between 10 to 50 years, they embark on a journey back to the beach where they were born. There, the females lay their eggs, and the cycle of life begins anew. Now, why does the world need turtles? Apart from their role in maintaining a balanced ecosystem, turtles also play a crucial role in shaping our beaches. You see, when a turtle lays its eggs and digs its nests, it helps to aerate the sand. This process is vital in promoting vegetation growth and maintaining the overall health of our beaches. So, to sum it up, turtles are more than just fascinating creatures with an impressive lifespan. They are a crucial link in our ecosystem, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. They start their life as a tiny egg, face numerous dangers to reach the water, grow slowly over the years, and then return to the place of their birth to lay eggs and continue the cycle of life. They are a testament to the beauty and resilience of life itself. So the next time you see a turtle, remember, you're looking at a creature that has survived against all odds, a creature that serves as a reminder of the intricate and beautiful cycle